हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू परमार अकेडमी। आज हम ग्रेड 10 के थर्ड चैप्टर को डिस्कस करेंगे, दैट इज द पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, अ लीनियर इक्वेशन, equation having degree 1 is called the linear equation, and next is two variable. Two variable means that equation involves two variable, that I means x and y. And the pair means we are having such pair of two equations like 5x plus 3y equal to 9 and 7x minus 2y is equal to 6. So look at here, this is one of the example of pair of linear equation in two variable. So first of all, pair, there are two equation number 1 and equation number 2. So this is a pair of linear equation. Look at here, the degree of the equation is 1, the degree is 1, the power of x is 1, power of y is 1. Similarly in the second equation also, equation, the equality signs are there, and two variable means there are two variable x and y. So this is one of the example of pair of linear equation in two variable. Now in this chapter we have to deal with such type of equations. The next one is solution. What is the solution of a pair of linear equation in two variable? So a point m comma 1 n is a solution of pair of linear equation in two variable a1 x plus b1 y is equal to c1, a2 x plus b2 y is equal to c2 if it will satisfy both the equations simultaneously. Now what is the meaning of this? That a point m comma n is a point that is the solution of this type of equation if it will satisfy both those equations simultaneously. What is the meaning of simultaneously? Means whatever the solution is, that is satisfy both the equations at a time. So let's take an example. Is 3 comma 1 solution of x plus y is equal to 4 and x minus y is equal to 2? Means we have to check that is 3 comma 1 is the solution of this pair of linear equation, yes or no. So let's try. If this point is a solution of this system of equations, that it will satisfy both the equation. So let's try. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. First of all, we will try for the equation number 1. Equation number 1 is x plus y is equal to 4. Now point is 3 comma 1. So replace x by 3 and y by 1. Left hand side we will get 4 and that is equal to right hand side. So yes, this point satisfy the equation number 1. Now we will try for the equation number 2. So equation number 2 is x minus y equal to 2 and the point is 3 comma 1. So try for this. 3 minus 1, that is 2, and this is also equal to right hand side. So that means 3 comma 1 point satisfy both the equation number 1 and equation number 2. So it is a solution of both the equation. So we will say that 3 comma 1 is the solution of the pair of linear equation in two variable. The next example is 2 comma 1 solution of 3x minus 2y is equal to 4 and 2x plus 4y is equal to 2. Again, the one example is here. We have to check that is this given point solution of pair of linear equation in two variable, yes or no. So again we will try for the both the equations. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Let's for first equation, 3x minus 2y equal to 4 and the point is 2 comma 1. So easily x is replaced by 2 and the y is replaced by 1. This is 3 into 2 minus 2 into 1, that is 6 minus 2, that is equal to 4, and this is equal to right hand side. So that means 2 comma 1 is the solution of first linear equation in two variable. Now let's check for the second equation also, that is 2x plus 4y is equal to 2. Again replace x by 2 and y by 1. So this is 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4, that is 8, and this is not equal to right hand side. So 2 comma 1 is solution of first equation, but it is not a solution of second equation. So overall 2 comma 1 is not a solution of such pair of linear equation in 2 variable. Means for the solution of pair of linear equation in 2 variable, that given point has to satisfy both the equations simultaneously. As in this example, it will satisfy first equation, but it will not satisfy the second equation. So overall it is not a solution of pair of linear equation in 2 variable. So this is how we have to find, or we have to check the given point is solution of pair of linear equation in 2 variable, yes or no. The next one is, now in grade 9th, as we know that a single linear equation in 2 variable represents a straight line on the graph. So similarly, if we are having a pair of linear equation in 2 variable, so simply it will represent 2 straight lines on the graph. So pair of linear equation in 2 variable represents 2 straight lines on the graph, and there are 3 possible cases related to the 2 lines, straight lines. So first case is either the 2 lines intersect each other at a point. So these are the 2 straight lines, the line L1 and line L2, and this will intersect at a given point. So look at here, in this chapter, as we know that a single point is a solution if it will satisfy both the equations. So that means in graphically, the solution of pair of linear equation in 2 variable is a point that is common to both the lines. So look at here, in the first case, how many common points are there? There is only a single common point, a one point in common. So there is a one solution. The solution in a pair of linear equation represents a point that is common to both the equation. If there are 2 common points, there means 2 solution, 5 common points, 5 solution, 1 common point, 1 solution, no common point, means there is a no solution. So similarly, there are only 3 possible cases. In the first case, when the lines are intersecting to each other, there is only 1 common point. So we will say that there is only 1 common point, that why it is having a unique solution, means it is having a single solution, and the system is called consistent system. That means solution is possible. For the second case, when the lines are parallel, when the lines are parallel. Now look at here, between these 2 lines there is a no common point. There is no common point between these 2 lines. So there is a no common point. So we will say that there is a no solution, because I will repeat, solution is the common point to both the equation or both the straight lines. As there is no common point, so there is a no solution, and the system is called inconsistent system, where solution is not possible. The third and the last case is when one line is just upon the second line, means एक line just दूसरे line के just ऊपर है, both the line coincide with each other. Now every point is a common point, every point of both the lines is a common point. So there are infinite number of points in common. So we will say that there are infinite many solution, because solution is again a common point. So between these 2 lines there are infinite points are common, so there are infinitely many solution. Again the system is called consistent system, because the solutions are possible. So I will repeat. So what is the solution graphically? Graphically, a solution is a common point to both the straight lines. If we are having 2 lines, there are only possible 3 cases, case 1, case 2 and case 3. In first case, lines are intersecting, where only 1 common point is there, so we are having only unique solution. In second case, where only no point is common, so there is a no solution. In third case, every point is a common point to both the lines, so there are infinite common points, so we will say that there are infinitely many solutions. The next one is how to find the solution. The next way is, as we know from the last slide, what is the solution? Solution is a common point to both the equations or the straight lines. Now the content is how to find such solutions. So look at here, there are 4 methods according to NCERT grade 10th. We have to find the solution of pair of linear equation in 2 variable. The first method is substitution method, second is graphical method, third is elimination method, and the fourth is cross multiplying method. In this video, we will discuss the first two methods, that are substitution method and the graphical method. So the first method is substitution method. So solve x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 4 using the substitution method. So this is a pair of linear equation in two variables. This is the first equation and this one is the second equation, and we have to solve this system of equation using the substitution method. So very easy. Look at here. The first equation, that is x plus y is equal to 5, and the second equation is 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. What is the first step? Look at here. The first step is we have to find the value of x or y from the equation number 1. So simply the value of x is equal to 5 minus y. This is the value of x from the first equation. Now we have to put this value in the equation number 2. Look at here. 2, x is replaced by its value, that is 5 minus y minus 3y is equal to 4. Now solve this. 2 5s are 10, 2 y's are 2y minus 3y equal to 4. That is 10 minus minus plus, that is minus 5y is equal to 4. 10 minus 4 is equal to 5y. That is 6 is equal to 5y, and the value of y is 6 upon 5. That is the value of y. So what is the first step? I will repeat. The first step is, from first equation we have to find the value of x or y. When we are having the value of x or y, we will substitute that value in the equation number 2. From there we will get the value of one variable. We will get the value of y, that is 6 by 5. Again put that value in this equation. So we will get x is equal to 5 minus y, that is 6 upon 5. On calculation we will get 25 minus 6, x is equal to 19 upon 5. So the overall answer is 19 upon 5 comma 6 upon 5 is the solution of this pair of linear equation in two variable. Now after getting the solution, we will easily verify that is the solution correct or not. We simply have to substitute these solution in the equations. If it will satisfy both the equations, this solution is correct. So substitute here, x plus y is equal to 5. First equation, x plus y. X is 19 upon 5 plus y, that is 6 upon 5, and the answer is 19 plus 6 upon 5. That is 25 upon 5, that is equal to 5, is equal to right hand side. Our solution will satisfy the first equation easily. Now let's try for the second equation, that is 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. 2 into x, that is 19 upon 5 minus 3 into y, that is 6 upon 5, that is 38 upon 5 minus 18 upon 5, that is equal to 20 upon 5, and that is 4, is equal to right hand side. So a solution will also satisfy the equation number 2. So that means our solution satisfies both the equations simultaneously. So this is the correct answer for this system of solution. Now we are having a single solution. So there is this system having the unique solution, and the lines are intersecting lines because we are having a single solution. So this system represents a intersecting straight lines. Now the second question is 3x plus 4y equal to 10 and 2x minus 2y equal to 2. Again, this is the first equation, 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. From here, we have to find the value of x or y from the first equation. So value of x is, that is 10 minus 4y upon 3. This is the value of x from the first equation. Now we will substitute this value in the second equation, that is 2 into x, that is 10 minus 4y upon 3 minus 2y equal to 2. Now calculating 20 minus 8y upon 3 minus 6y is equal to 2. I will take LCM here. So this is equal to 20 minus 14y is equal to 6. That is 20 minus 6 is equal to 14y. 14 is equal to 14y, we will get y is equal to 1. Now we are having the value of one variable, that y is equal to 1. We will substitute that value in the equation. This one, x is equal to 10 minus 4 into 1 upon 3. x is equal to 10 minus 4, that is 6 upon 3. So x is equal to 2. So 2 comma 1 is the solution of this system of equations. Now again we will check is the solution correct. So we will trying to satisfy these both the equations. Now first equation, 3 into x, that is 3 into 2, 6, plus 4 into y, that is 4 into 1, 4. The answer is 10, and that is equal to right hand side. Yes, the first equation is satisfied by this solution. Try for the second, 2x. This is 2 into x, that is 2 into 2, minus 2 into y, that is 1. The answer is 4 minus 2, and the answer is 2, that is equal to right hand side. So this solution will satisfy both the equation. So our answer is correct. That means 2 comma 1 is the solution of this pair of linear equation in two variable. So this is the substitution method. Again I will repeat, in substitution method the first step is we have to find the value of x or y from the first equation, that is like this. Then we have to substitute that value of that variable in the second equation. From there, after calculating, we will get the value of one variable, and after substituting that variable in this equation, we will get the second variable also. So this is the overall method, that is called substitution method. The next one is, if we add, this is a statement problem, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction becomes 1. It also becomes half if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? So this is a question related to fraction. So we have to find the fraction. Let numerator of the fraction is x and denominator of the fraction is y. So overall the fraction is x upon y. This is the very basic thing. In a fraction there are two parts, numerator and denominator. As we have to find the fraction, let the numerator is x and the denominator is y. So overall fraction is x upon y. Now what is the first condition? If we add 1 to the numerator, and subtract 1 from the denominator, fraction becomes 1. The fraction becomes 1. This is the first condition. So just cross multiplying, x plus 1 is equal to y minus 1, that is x minus y is equal to minus 2. This is our first equation. Now what is the second condition? It becomes half, the fraction becomes half if we only add 1 to the denominator. Means there is no change in the numerator, there is only we have to add 1 in the denominator. The equation becomes half. Again cross multiplying, 2x is equal to y plus 1 and 2x minus y is equal to 1. This is the equation number 2. Now we are having a pair of linear equation in two variable. Again using the substitution method we will solve these equations. From here we will get the value of one variable, that is minus 2 plus y. Now substitute this value in this is step 1. Step 2, substitute this value here in the equation number 2, that is 2 into x. that is minus 2 plus y minus y equal to 1. That is minus 4 plus 2y minus y equal to 1. This is 2y minus y, 4 get added that side is equal to 5. So value of y is 5. Again substitute that value here, x is equal to minus 2 plus y, and y is 5, so x is equal to 3. So value of x is 3 and y is 4, so our fraction is 3 upon 5. So fraction is 3 upon 5. If we want to check the solution, we will go through the conditions. Look at here, the first condition is add 1 to the denominator, that is 3 plus 1, 4. Subtract 1 from the denominator, 5 minus 1, 4. The answer is 1. Yes, the answer is 1. First condition satisfied. The second condition is if there is no change in the denominator, means 3 is as it is, and if we add 1 to the denominator, means 5 plus 1, 6. It becomes half. Yes, it becomes half. So our answer, that is 3 upon 5, will satisfy both the conditions. So 3 upon 5 is the correct answer for this statement problem. Now the next one is "5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. How old the Noori and Sonu?" Now this is a statement problem related to ages. So for that, we will divide the question in 3 parts. The first is present ages, that is future ages, and the past ages. As we have to find the present ages, let the present age of Noori is x years and the present age of Sonu is y years. So this is the x and y is the present ages of Sonu and Noori respectively. Now 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu, but this is the second condition. The first condition is 5 years ago. 5 years ago means in the past. 5 years in the past. So Noori's age 5 years ago is x minus 5 and Sonu's age 5 years ago is y minus 5. The Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. The Noori is thrice as old as Sonu means Noori is elder than as compared to Sonu. So the according to condition, x minus 5 is equal to as thrice old as Sonu. This is 3 times y minus 5. Because the Noori is already elder than Sonu, to equate them, we have to multiply the age of Sonu by 3. So from here, we will get the equation x minus 5 is equal to 3y minus 15. So that is x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. This is our equation number 1 from first equation condition. Future, in future, 10 years later means 10 years in the future. So Noori's age is x plus 10 and Sonu's age is y plus 10. Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. Noori की जो अब एज है वो twice है as compared to Sonu, means x plus 10 is equal to 2 times y plus 10. So that becomes x plus 10 is equal to 2y plus 20. That is x minus 2y is equal to 10. This is equation number 2. Now we are having the pair of linear equation in 2 variables, so we have to solve this equation using the substitution method. So again, from first equation, this is step 1. From first equation, we will find the value of x, that is minus 10 plus 3y, and we have to substitute that value in the equation number 2. That becomes minus 10 plus 3y minus 2y is equal to 10. That becomes y is equal to 20. The y is equal to 20. Now again substitute that y here. X is equal to minus 10 plus 3 into 20, that is equal to minus 10 plus 60, and x is equal to 50. So that means present age of Noori is 50 and the present age of Sonu is 20. These are the present ages of Noori and Sonu. Again we have to verify our solution. So simply look at here, 5 years in past, that age is 50 minus 5, that is 45, and here Sonu's age is 15, and that Noori's age is 3 times as Sonu. This is the condition, thrice. Yes, first condition fulfilled. In 10 years future, here Noori is 50 plus 10, that is 60 age, 20 plus 10, 30 age. Here Noori is twice as old as Sonu. Yes, second condition also satisfied, means our solution is correct. So this is the way, if there is a statement question related to ages, you have to divide the question like this: present ages, past ages and future ages, and you have to find the conditions. The next one is Meena went to bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give me the notes of 50 and 100 only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of 50 and 100 she received. Means this is a question that a girl, Meena, goes to bank to withdraw 2000. Means she total amount she has to withdraw is 2000, but she asked the cashier that give me the notes of 50 and 100 only. And the cashier give her 25 notes overall. We have to find how many notes of 50 and 100 each given by cashier to the Meena. So let rupees 50 notes are X and rupees 100 notes are Y notes. And look at here, if we are having 2 notes of rupees 50, means overall amount is 100 rupees. If we are having 3 notes of rupees 50, means overall amount is 150 rupees. Similarly, this time we are having X notes of rupees 50. So amount is 50X. Similarly, we are having Y notes of 100 rupees. So amount is 100Y. Now the first condition is the cashier gave 25 notes to Meena, but according to her, there are only X plus Y number of notes, because X notes of rupees 50 and Y notes of rupees 100. So Meena get X plus Y notes, but Meena got 25 notes overall. So first condition is X plus Y is equal to 25. This is equation number 1. Now look at the amount. The amount Meena got is 50X plus 100Y. But according to Meena, she got 2000 rupees. So that means 50X plus 100Y is equal to 2000. This is equation number 2. Now we are having 2 linear equation in 2 variables. So we will solve this using the substitution method. First of all, the equation number 2 is simply divided by 50. That is 50 is the common factor. That becomes X plus 2Y is equal to 40. This is actually equation number 2. So again, from step 1, we will find the value of X or Y from the first equation, that X is equal to 25 minus Y, and substitute that value in the step 2 in the equation number 2, that is X 25 minus Y plus 2Y is equal to 40. That is 25 plus Y is equal to 40, and Y is equal to 40 minus 25, that Y is equal to 15. So value of Y is 15. Now put that value of Y here. X is equal to 25 minus 15. X is equal to 10. So what does this mean? This means that she got 10 notes of rupees 50 and 15 notes of rupees 100. So look at here, there are all 15 plus 10, 25 notes are there, first condition fulfilled. Now the amount is 15 into 10, 500, this is 1500 and the amount is 2000. Yes, second condition also fulfilled, that means y15 and x10 is the correct solution for this statement problem. The next one is a lending library has fixed charges per day. Charges for the first 3 days is and additional charges for every day thereafter. Arushi paid rupees 27 for the book kept for 7 days, and the fixed charges for rupees x per day and the additional charges for rupees y per day. Write the linear equation representing the above information. So this is a question where we have to convert the statement in the linear equation. So what actually is this question about? That there are some fixed charges and some charges are that are per day according to per day. So let the fixed charges are, let fixed charges are x rupees and variable charges are y rupees per day. So look at here, Arushi paid 27 rupees, she kept the book for 7 days. Now she kept the book for 7 days, but the fixed charges are for first 3 days. Fixed charges are for first 3 days. That means for first 3 days she has to pay rupees x. Now after, and total number of days are 7 and she has to pay rupees x for first 3 days. Now the remaining days are 4 days. So for remaining 4 days she has to pay y rupees per day. So the amount is 4y. This is the total amount for 7 days. That is x rupees for first 3 days and y rupees for each day after 3 days. That means remaining 4 days the charges are 4y. So but according to her, the total paid she paid, that is 27. She paid total 27 rupees for 7 days. So this is the linear equation representing this situation. Again, if one more situation is there, if she rent a book for 5 days, she paid 21 rupees for 5 days. Now how to convert it? Again, for the first 3 days she will pay x rupees for first 3 days. Now the remaining days that are out of 5, if 3 days there are 2 remaining days. For remaining 2 days she have to pay y rupees according to per day. That charges are 2y. For y rupees per day, for remaining 2 days she has to pay 2y. And the total overall pay she is 21. This is the second equation. So here this question is mainly here for how to convert such situation in the pair of linear equation in 2 variable. Now you are having the 2 situations and 2 equations. You will easily solve these equations using the substitution method. The next one is how to find the solution of pair of linear equation in 2 variable. So basically there are 4 methods. The first method is substitution method, second graphical, third elimination method, and the fourth is cross multiply method. The first 2 methods are already discussed in the first part of this chapter. So now in this video we will discuss about the third and fourth method, that are elimination method and the cross multiply method. So the third method, that is elimination method, solve x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus y 3y is equal to 4 using the elimination method. For this, the first of all equations are x plus y is equal to 5 and second equation is 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Now for the elimination method we have to equate 2 variables of either x or y equal to each other. So we want to make the coefficient of x is equal to 2 here. So for that we will multiply the first equation by 2 and second equation by 1, so that coefficient of x are equal. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Now the equations become 2x plus 2y is equal to 10, and the second equation 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Now look at here, coefficient of x are equal 2 and 2. So change the sign of the second equation to solve. Plus 2x minus 2x get cancelled out, plus 2y plus 3y, that is 5y, 10 minus 4, that is equal to 6. So value of y is equal to 6 upon 5. This is the value of y variable. Now to find the value of second variable, that is x, we will substitute that value in any of the equation to get the second value. So again, x plus y is equal to 5. So put the value of y here, that is x plus 6 upon 5 is equal to 5. That is equal to x is equal to 5 minus 6 upon 5. That is equal to 25 minus 6 upon 5. That is equal to 19 upon 5. So solution is 19 upon 5 comma 6 upon 5. So this is the third method, that is elimination method. To use that method, we need that the coefficient of x or the coefficient of y are equal to each other. For that, we will multiply the first equation by 2 to get the coefficient of x are equal to each other. Now for the second question, 3x plus 4y is equal to 10 and 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. Again, we want to equate the coefficients of x. So multiply the first equation by 2, that is coefficient of x in second equation, and multiply the second equation by coefficient of x in first equation, that is 3 into 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. The equations become 6x plus 8y is equal to 20, and the second equation becomes 6x minus 6y is equal to 6. Again, change the sign, minus plus minus, 6 positive 6x negative, cancel out, 8y positive 6y positive, 14y positive is equal to 20 minus 6, that is again 14. So y is equal to 14 upon 14, that is equal to y is equal to 1. Now again, to get the value of x, we will substitute that value of y in the first or second equation. So 3x plus 4y, that is replaced by 1, is equal to 10. So that is 3x plus 4 is equal to 10 and 3x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 upon 3, that x is equal to 2. So 2 comma 1 is the solution of second question using the elimination method. So this is how we can find the solution of the pair of linear equation using the elimination method. The next one is the sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9 if 9 times the number is equal to twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. So this is a question related to 2-digit numbers. So we know that in 2-digit number there is there is unit place and the tens place. So let digit at ones place is x and the digit at tens place is equal to y. So now what is the first condition? The sum of the digits. Sum of the digits is 9. The first condition is x plus y is equal to 9. This is the first condition. Now there is second condition, that the 9 times of a number is equal to twice the numbers obtained by reversing the order. Now there are two things. First of all, what is the number? Number is 10 into tens plus 1s. That is 10 into tens y plus ones. This is the actual number where ones place is x and tens place is y. Now if we reverse the order, means now at ones place y is there and tens place x is there. The new number is again 10 into tens plus ones. This is a new number. Now according to the condition, 9 times of this number, 9 times of this number, this one old number is equal to twice, 2 times of the number obtained by reversing the order, that is 10x plus y. Now from here we will get the second equation, that is 19y plus 9x is equal to 20x plus 2y. The equation is that is equal to 11x 2y minus 90y, that is equal to minus 88y is equal to 0. Now dividing by 11 we will get that equation is x minus 8y. This is the second equation. Now we are having the two equations. We will solve these two equations using the elimination method to get the value of x and y. So x plus y is equal to 9 and x minus 8y is equal to 0. So look at here, the coefficients of x are already equal to each other, so no need to multiply the equation by any number. So just change the signs. So plus x is cancelled by minus x, plus y plus 8y, that is 9y, and 9 minus 0 is 9. So value of y is 1 because 9 upon 9 is 1. Now substitute that value of y in this equation, that is x plus y, that is 1 is equal to 9. We will get x is equal to 8. So x is 8 and y is 1. So the number is 18 because 1 is at tens place and 8, that is x, is on the first place. So number is 18. Now we will also verify our answer using the constraints. So first constraint is the sum of digits is 9. Look at here, 1 plus 8 is 9. The first constraint is okay. The number is 18 and the number by reversing is 18, 1. Now constraint is 9 times of this is equal to 2 times of that. Look at here, we will check 9 times of this is equal to 2 times of this one. This is simply 162. This is also 162. Yes, second constraint is also satisfied here. So this means the solution is correct. So this is how we can solve this question. The next is a taxi charges in a city consist of fixed charges together with the charges of the distance covered. Find the distance of the 10 kilometer that charge pays 105 rupees, and for the journey of 15 kilometer the charge paid is 155 rupees. How much does the person have to pay for the traveling a distance of 25 kilometer? Now what is about this question? Look at here. अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हम कहीं घूमने जा रहे हैं, ठीक है, सो अब हमने क्या किया, हमने एक टैक्सी हायर की जिसपे क्या होता है कि एक तो यहाँ पर फिक्स चार्ज होते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल आप ये मान लो कि वो जो आपका ड्राइवर होगा उसका जो पे स्केल होगा पर डे के हिसाब से, दैट इज द फिक्स चार्जेस, कि वो जो चार्जेस है वो ड्राइवर ने अपने लेने ही लेने हैं. द सेकंड चार्जेस आर अकॉर्डिंग टू द किलोमीटर्स, हम कितना किलोमीटर्स कवर करेंगे. अगर हम कम किलोमीटर्स कवर कर रहे हैं we have to pay less amount. अगर हम ज़्यादा किलोमीटर कवर कर रहे हैं we have to pay the more amount. So there are two charges. The first is fixed charges, and let the fixed charges are x rupees, and the variable charges are y rupees according to per kilometer. Okay, so now what is the first condition? It has to pay for 10 kilometer, has to pay 105 rupees. Now for 10 kilometer, simply x is the fixed charges that we must have to pay, Now, for 10 kilometers, the charges are 10y, because for 1 kilometer the charges are y rupees, for 10 kilometer charges are 10y, and the total amount is 105 rupees. This is the first equation. Now, for the second, we have to pay 155 rupees for 15 kilometer. So again, x are the fixed charges, and for 15 kilometer, the charges are 15y, and the total amount is 155. This is the second equation. Now we will solve these two equations using the elimination method. So look at here, already coefficients of our x are equal to each other, so no need to multiply any equation by any number. So simply change the sign, minus, minus and minus. Plus and x, minus x gets cancelled out, plus 10 and minus 15, that is minus 5y, 105 positive and 155 negative, that is equal to 50 negative. So value of 5 is minus cancelled out with minus 50 upon 5, that is y is equal to 10. Now substitute the value of 10 in first equation, we will get the value of x. So x plus 10y, that is 10 into 10, 100 is equal to 105. So x is equal to 5. That means the fixed charges are 5 rupees and the variable charges are 10 rupees according to per kilometer. Now this is answer. So let's verify the solution. For the first 10 kilometer, we have to pay 105 rupees. Look at here, the fixed charges are 5, and for 10 kilometer, we have to pay 10 times are 100, and that is equal to 105. This is correct. And for 15 kilometer, 5 rupees are fixed charges, and for 15 kilometer, we have to pay 150, and that is 155. The second condition is also fulfilled, so answer is correct. Now, there is a next statement, how much we have to pay for the 25 kilometer. Now, we have to travel 25 kilometer. For that distance, how much we have to pay? Simply fixed charges x and plus 25k according 25y, that are the variable charges. Now put the value, x is 5 plus 25 into y is 10, that is 5 plus 2 50, that is 255 for 25 kilometer. Means for 25 kilometer, one has to pay 255 rupees to cover the 25 kilometer. This is the how this question you have to deal with. The next one is cross multiply method. Now the fourth and the last method of this chapter is cross multiply method. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 2 and 2x minus y is equal to 4. Now this is the first question that we have to solve with the cross multiply method. So look at here, for that one we have to turn all the terms including constant terms towards left hand side. So 2x plus 3y minus 2 is equal to 0 and 2x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. So take all the constant terms towards left hand side, and this is the new equations, that is 2x plus 3y minus 2 equal to 0 and 2x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. Now we have to use the rule two, 3, 1, 2. This is a rule, remember it, 2, 3, 1, 2. 2 means coefficient of y, second terms. 3 means third term, that are the constant terms. 1 means the first term, that is the coefficient of x. And again 2 means the coefficient of second terms, that are coefficients of y. So first of all, second terms, that are 3 and minus 1. Then is third terms, that are the constant terms, minus 2 and minus 4. I will write it here, 2, 3, 1, 2. Second terms, this one second terms, third terms, then first terms 2 and 2, and again the second terms, that are the 3 and minus 1. So this is the pattern how we'll arrange the terms according to 2, 1, 3 rule. Now look at here, we will do this step, x upon something is equal to y upon something is equal to 1 upon something. Now how to use, what to use here. Look at here. First of all, 3 is multiplied by minus 4. That is equal to minus 12. Now we have to put a minus sign here. Then the cross multiplication is there, minus 1 into minus 2. Again, this minus 2 into 2. Then you have to put a minus sign here. Then the cross multiplication, minus 4 into 2. For the third one also same process, 2 into minus 1, you have to put minus sign here, then cross product, that is 3 into 2, and that is equal to minus 12 minus minus plus 2, and this is minus 2, that is equal to y upon, this is minus 2 and minus 2 into 2, that is minus 4, and this is minus minus plus, that is 8, is equal to 1 upon minus 2 minus 6. So x over, that is minus 2 minus 12 minus 14, that is minus 4 plus 8, that is 4, and this is 1 upon minus 2 minus 6, that is minus 8 again. Now to get the value of x, we will equate first and the third term. So look at here, to get the value of x, we will equate first term, that is x upon minus 14 is equal to third term, that is 1 upon 8 minus. So from here we will get x is equal to 14 by 8, that is 7 by 4. Now to get the value of y, we will equate second and third term. So y upon 4 is equal to minus 1 upon 8. So y is equal to minus 4 upon 8, that is minus 1 by 2. So the solution is 7 by 4 comma minus 1 by 2. This is the required solution. Now I will repeat the whole process. First step, you have to bring all the terms, constant terms including constant terms towards the left, means you have to make the right hand side 0. Now second step is you have to arrange the terms according to 2, 3, 1, 2 rule. That means here 2 represents the second terms, that are coefficients of y, 3 represents the third term, that are the constant terms, 1 represents the coefficient of x, that are first terms, and again 2 represents the second term, that are the coefficients of y. Now after arrangement, we will write x by something is equal to y by is equal to 1 by something. Now we have to fill these parts. So for that, the first 3 is multiplied by minus 4, and then minus sign is substituted here. Then minus 1 is multiplied by minus 2. Again minus 2 is multiplied by minus 2 here. Minus sign we have to insert. Then minus 4 is multiplied by 2. Again repeat the process. 2 into multiplied by minus 1. We have to insert a minus sign. Then 2 is multiplied by 3. So the calculation is x upon minus 12 into minus 2, that is x upon minus 14, y upon minus 4 plus 8, that is y upon 4, and the 1 upon minus 2 minus 6, that is 1 upon minus 8. Now to get the value of x, we will equate first and third member, and to get the value of y, we will equate second and third member, and cross multiplying we will get the values of x and y. So this is the cross multiply method and the very important method. Now we will solve the second question using the same method. So 3x minus 4y minus 10 equal to 0, and the second is 2x plus 5y minus 2 equal to 0. Now we will arrange the term using the rule 2, 3, 1, 2 rule. 2 means second terms, that is minus 4 and 5. 3 means third term, that is minus 10 and minus 2. 1 means the first coefficient of x, first term 3 and 2. Again 2 means second terms. Now x upon cross multiplication of this minus 4 multiplied by minus 2, and we have to insert a minus sign here, then the cross multiplication. 5 is multiplied by minus 10. That is equal to y upon minus 10 is multiplied by 2, and we have to insert a minus sign here, then minus 2 is multiplied by 3. That is equal to 1 upon minus that 3 is multiplied by 5, insert minus sign here, and 2 is multiplied by minus 4. So on calculating, look at here, this is 8 plus 50 is equal to y upon minus 20 plus 6 is equal to 1 upon 15 plus 8. So x over 58 is equal to y upon minus 14 is equal to 1 upon 23. So to get the value of x, we will equate first and third member, that is x upon 58 is equal to 1 upon 23. So x is equal to 58 upon 23. This is a solution for value of x. Now to get the value of y, we will equate second and third member, that is y upon minus 14 is equal to 1 upon 23. So value of y is minus 14 upon 23. So this is the value of y. Now, this is how we can use the cross multiplying method to get the solution for the pair of linear equation in two variable. The next one is the coach of cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3800 and later he buys 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees 1750. Find the cost of each bat and ball. So simple, very simple. Let the cost of bat is x rupees. Next, cost of bat is rupees x and the cost of one ball is rupees y. Now according to the first condition, he buys 7 bats, that is 7x, because cost of one bat is the x rupees and cost of 7 bats is 7x rupees, and 6 balls, that is plus 6y, and the total bill is 3800 rupees. And according to the second situation, 3 bats and 3x plus 5 balls, that is 5y, and the cost is 1750 rupees. Now this is a pair of linear equation in two variable. Let's solve these equation using the cross multiply method. So that is equal to 7x plus 6y minus 3800 is equal to 0, and the second is 3x plus 5y minus 1750 is equal to 0. Now arrange the terms according to 2, 3, 1, 2 rule. The second terms are 6, 5. The third terms are minus 3800 upon, that is minus 1750, and the first terms are 7, 3, and again the second terms are 6, 5. So x upon 6 is multiplied by minus 750, that is minus 10,500, then minus sign is there, minus minus, plus 5 is multiplied by 3,800, that is 19,000. That is equal to y upon minus 38 is multiplied by 3, that is 11,400, then minus sign is there, that is 7 is multiplied by minus 750, minus minus plus, that is equal to 12,250, and that is equal to 1 upon 7 5s are 35 minus, that is 6 3s are 18. So look at here, this becomes x upon minus 10,500 plus 19,000, that is 8,500 positive. That is equal to y upon minus 11,400 and 12,250, that is 850 positive, and is equal to 1 upon 17. Now to get the value of x, we will equate the first and the third member. So look at here, x upon 8500 is equal to 1 upon 17. So x is 8500 upon 17, that is x is equal to 500. And to get the value of y, we will equate the second and third member. So y is equal to 850 upon 17, that is equal to 50. That means cost of the bat is 500 rupees and cost of the ball is 50 rupees. Now we will easily verify the answer as cost of 7 bats. Look at here, 7 into 500, 3500 plus 6 balls, 6 5s are 300, that is 3800, correct? 3 bats, that is 1500 plus 5 balls, that is 250 rupees, and that is equal to 1750 rupees. Yes, the answer is correct. So this is how we will first convert the statement into two equations, then we have to solve the equation using the cross multiply method. You can also solve these equations using the elimination method and the substitution method or graphical method. You will get the same answer. The next one is solve 2x plus 3y equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24, and hence find the value of m such that y is equal to mx plus 3. Now very interesting question. Now look at here, this is a question is actually related to 3 lines, that 3 lines pass each other passing through a single point, and the first line is 2x plus 3y is equal to 11, and the second line is 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24, and the third line is y is equal to mx plus 3. Now this common point is the solution for all the 3 lines. So now what we have to do, from first 2 lines we will find the solution and we will put that solution in the third line, because that solution also satisfies the third equation. So that is 2x plus 3y minus 11 is equal to 0, and 2x minus 4y plus 24 equal to 0. Now again, for the cross multiply method, we will arrange the terms according to 2, 3, 1, 2 rule. That are the second terms. Second terms means 3 and minus 4. Third terms minus 11 and 24. First terms 2 and 2, and again second terms 3 and minus 4. Now x upon 24, 3s are 72, minus insert, then minus 1 is plus, plus minus minus, that is 44. Again that is equal to y, minus 11 into minus 22, then minus 1 is we have to insert, then 24 2s are 48, that is equal to 1 upon, this is minus 8, minus sign we have to insert, and this is 6. So this is x upon 28, that is y is equal to minus minus plus, sign of minus 70, that is minus minus plus. So to get the value of a, we will equate first and third member, that x is equal to 28 upon minus 14, that is equal to minus 2. So value of x is minus 2. To get the value of y, we will equate second and third member. So y is equal to minus 70 upon minus 14, that is equal to 5. So the solution is minus 2 comma 5. This common point is minus 2 comma 5. Now this point also satisfies the third equation. So we will substitute or substitute value of x by 2 minus 2 and the value of y by 5. So here 5 is equal to m into x, that is minus 2 plus 3, that is 5 is equal to minus 2m plus 3. 3 gets subtracted, that becomes 2 is equal to minus 2m. This minus 2 is divided, we will get m is equal to minus 1. So this is the way how we can solve, or we will find the value of m, because 3 lines are passing through a single point. So solution of any 2 is also the solution of third one. So using the first two equations and using the cross multiply method, we will get the solution of the two equation, and that solution also satisfies the third equation, and using that we will get m is equal to minus 1. The next one is equations reducible to pair of linear equation in two variable. Now look at here, these two equations are little different from the previous one because the variables are in the denominator. So first of all, we have to convert these equations in the simple one and then solve. So look at here, I will write for this equation as 4 into 1 by under root x minus 9 into 1 by under root y is equal to minus 1, and this equation as 2 into 1 by under root x plus 3 into 1 by under root y is equal to 2. Now if I will put 1 by under root x is equal to m and 1 by under root y is equal to n, these two equations become 4m minus 9n is equal to minus 1, and this equation become 2m plus 3n is equal to 2. Now look at here, these two equations convert into a simple one equations. Now we have to solve these equations using any of the method. So let's try the elimination method. 4m minus 9n is equal to minus 1 and 2m plus 3n is equal to 2. So as we will try to make the coefficients of m equal, so multiply the second equation by 2. So that is equal to 4m minus 9n is equal to minus 1, 2 to the 4m plus 6n is equal to 4. Now coefficients of m are equal, so change the signs of the second equation. Plus 4m minus 4m cancel out, minus 9 minus 6 that is minus 15n, and 1 minus 1 minus 4 that is minus 5. So value of n is 1 by 3. Value of n is 1 by 3 here. Now put that value of n in any of the first equation or second, you will get the value of m. So 4m minus 9n that is 1 by 3 is equal to minus 1, that is 4m minus 3 is equal to minus 1, and 4m is equal to minus 1 plus 3, that is m is equal to 2 upon 4, so m is equal to 1 upon 2. Now the solution of these two equations is n is equal to 1 by 3 and m is equal to 1 by 2. But our question is in the variable of x and y, so we have to find the final solution in terms of x and y only. So this is the solution for m and n. Now we have to convert this solution in the form of x and y. So look at here, 1 by under root x that is equal to m here, and m is equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by under root x is equal to 1 by 2. Now cross multiplying, 2 is equal to under root x, and squaring, that 4 is equal to x. So value of x is 4. Similarly 1 by under root y that is equal to n, and n is 1 by 3 here. So this is 1 by 3. Cross multiplying, 3 is equal to under root y, and squaring we will get y is equal to 9. So this is how, if the variable terms are in the denominator, this is how we have to deal with such questions. We have to convert that question in the simple equations by putting as 1 by under root x is equal to m and 1 by under root y is equal to n. So this is the method. So here this solution m and n for these equations, not for the actual equations of x and y. We have to convert that solution in the form of x and y also at the last. The next question is, 10 over x plus y plus 2 over x minus y is equal to 4. 15 over x plus y minus 5 over x minus y equal to minus 2. This is again the question of same type. We have to convert this question in the simple form first of all. So we will write it as 10 into 1 over x plus y plus 2 into 1 over x minus y is equal to 4, and this one as 15 into 1 over x plus y minus 5 into 1 over x minus y is equal to minus 2. So put x plus y 1 over x minus y is equal to m and 1 over x minus y is equal to n. These two equations reduces to 10m plus 2n is equal to 4, and the second equation reduces to 15m minus 5n is equal to minus 2. Now the equations in variable x and y converts into simple equation with the variable m and n. So solve this equation using any of the method. So let's multiply second equation by 2 and first by 5 and second by 2 to equate the coefficients of n. So multiply this by 5 and second equation by 2. The equations become 50. The equation become 50m plus 10n is equal to 20, and the second equation become 30m minus 10n is equal to minus 4. Now look at here, coefficients of n are equal and they are also of opposite signs, so no need to change the signs. This is directly cancel out. This is 80m is equal to 16. So m is equal to 16 upon 80, that is 1 upon 5. The value of m is 1 upon 5. Now substitute that value in the first equation to get the value of n. So 10 into 1 by 5 plus 2n is equal to 4. That will give 2 plus 2n is equal to 4, 2n is equal to 2, and n is equal to 1. The value of n is 1 and value of m is 1 by 5. Now substitute that values here. Look at here, value of m, that is 1 by 5 and value of n is 1. So 1 over x plus y is equal to 1 by 5. Cross multiplying, we will get x plus y is equal to 5. We will get another equation, and for the second one, 1 over x minus y, that is equal to n, that is equal to y. So we will get x minus y is equal to 1. So we get another pair of equations. Now we have to solve these pair of equations also. X plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. Again, coefficients of y are equal and they are opposite side. So directly cancel out. X plus x 2x and 5 plus 1, that is 6. So x is equal to 3. The value of x is 3, and from first one, this is 3 plus y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 2. Now the value of x is 3 and value of y is 2 for this solution. Look at here carefully. The first, we will convert the equation into simple equation, just putting 1 by x plus y is equal to m and 1 by x minus y is equal to n. Now from on solving these equations, we will get another pair of equations. Look at here, x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. On solving the first pair of equation, we will get another pair of equations. So solving that pair, we will get the actual values of x and y. So this is the how to solve this type of questions. The next one is, Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours also. Find her speed of rowing on still water and the speed of current. So this is basically question of speed and water and boat. So let the speed of rowing a still water is x kilometer per hour and the speed of current, that is speed of water, is y kilometer per hour. Now there are two cases. The one is for downstream and second is for upstream. Now, in downstream, the distance is 20 kilometer, time is 2 hours, and the speed is x plus y. And in case of upstream, the distance is 4 kilometer, the time is again 2 hours, and the speed is x minus y. So as we know that speed is equal to distance upon time, so x plus y is equal to 20 upon 2, that is 10. And here again speed is equal to distance upon time, so x minus y is equal to 4 upon 2, that is 2. Now there are two pair of linear equation in two variable. Let's solve it. This is x plus y is equal to 10 and x minus y is equal to 2. Plus y and minus y cancel out using the elimination method. X plus x, that is 2x, is equal to 12. So x is equal to 6. Now put the value of x 6 here. 6 minus y is equal to 2. So 6 minus 2 is equal to y. Y is equal to 4. That means the speed rowing in still water is 6 km per hour and the speed of the current is 4 km per hour. So dear students, this is all about the chapter. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel to watch more videos. Thank you.